All right, guys, so I'm under this table and I'm installing this High Point heavy duty leaf lock because this is a table with leaves. So basically I did this on a scrap piece of wood before, and you can see I just left a slight gap. What you do is put both pieces together in the lock position and then set it up here, and this is what I got. So I marked some holes. It's pretty hard one-handed. Then what I like to do is use an awl to start it, just so your drill bit doesn't wander. Then you just pick a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the screw. I just screwed it in. Now I'm going to move to the other part. Now this other part pivots to lock it in, so it actually gets tighter when you pivot it all the way around. So all I did was line it up, center it as much as possible, pull on it, and then I'm going to make my mark to drill, or I'm going to make my mark. So if you look close, my mark is to the right. I put an awl mark slightly to the left. And that's to give the lock a little more locking action. You don't want it loose. Okay, so I've screwed this piece in, and here's the moment of truth. You see how this is short or long, the length of it? As you tighten it, so it slides over. Just has a nice, it just cambers into place. So that's a really tight connection. Didn't find any videos on YouTube about this, so I thought it'd be helpful to someone if they've never installed one, because this is my first time. Let me know if this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.